Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to close a Raymond James account. Whether you're switching brokers, simplifying your finances, or just moving on, this process can be simple if you follow the right steps. I'm here to walk you through it all, step by step, so you can handle this with confidence. First things first, why might you want to close your Raymond James account? It could be due to changing financial goals, better opportunities elsewhere, or perhaps you're retiring an old account. Whatever the reason, start by gathering your account details. You'll need your account number, personal identification like your social security number, and any recent statements to make things smoother. Step 1. Log in to your Raymond James online portal. If you haven't used it lately, this is a good time to update your login info. Once you're in, look for the Account Services or Help section. There, you might find an option to initiate a closure request. But remember, not everything can be done online, so be prepared to contact them directly. Next, give Raymond James a call at their customer service line. It's usually listed on their website. When you reach a representative, they'll verify your identity to protect your account. Be ready to provide that personal info we talked about. Clearly state that you want to close your account, and ask about any fees or requirements, like settling outstanding balances or transferring assets. If there are funds in your account, you'll need to decide what to do with them. Options include transferring to another brokerage or withdrawing the money. This is crucial because you can't close the account until it's settled. The representative will guide you through this, but it might take a few days to process. Once everything is clear, the representative will process your request and send a confirmation. Keep an eye on your email or mail for that. It's your proof that the account is closed. Finally, monitor your credit report and statements to ensure no unauthorized activity pops up. Closing an account is a big step, so if you're unsure, consider consulting a financial advisor. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. See you next time.